Hello everyone. Welcome to Velero meeting on July 5th. Today some maintainers are on holiday, so if required, we can continue the discussion or anything offline. Okay. So first of all, for the overall status, I think the members are primarily working on V 1.12 development, and we have about 2 weeks for the code freeze. And for the data more feature, we have just to make through the backup and restore from end to end. And so right now we are doing some tasks or with various configurations or options. For example, in the multiple cloud backup restore scenarios. So once that is done, I think we can add. I think we can add some instructions anywhere so that if anyone want to try that earlier, you can do that. That's for the overall status. And for the individual updates, myself is working on some data more PR reviews and also doing some smoke testing and bug fixing for data more. Yeah, that's from my side. And Xin, please.
My work is data more testing and issue fix, and the second one is 112 issues fix, and that's all.
Okay. Okay. Daniel is not here yet, so Danfeng, please go first.
Yes, from my side, the first thing is I did more end-to-end test in Natalie. And the second one is preparing V1.12 test plan. That's all from my side.
Okay. And Min?
I'm writing the code of data download controller and the related unit test is from my side.
Okay, thanks. And Xiji.
I fix hook filter display issue for backup describer. So the describer will show the hook from the hook backup spec rather than the backup spec. And in addition, I clarified the deletion frequency for GC controller and mainly focus on emphasize the affection won't be taken affected immediately. And that's all from my side.
Okay, thanks. Okay, and I think discard topic added by Daniel. Actually, I can describe it. The problem is something like you know, for the PVC, we can add something like the label selector. So once we have that, it means that the PV can only bind to the PVC can only bind to a PV that with the label specified. So if once the PVC is configured like that, if we back up the PVC and then restore it, we will not be able to fully leverage it on the Kubernetes dynamic provision because after the PVC is restored, we still need to wait a PV with the same label. Otherwise, the PVC will be in the pending state. So and we have seen one case or one user case that somehow the users have specified a label or match label selector into the PVC, and after that they back up with file system backup, and after restore, and then they use file system to restore the namespace, and they cannot finish the restore. That is for the port volume backup case. And also, we have tested under the CSI restore case. So the same problem happens. That is, once we backup it, and then we use the CSI restore, we still face the same problem that the PVC is in pending state and cannot, the restore cannot be finished. So here we have a proposal that we want to remove the label selector in the PVC before before we back up the PVC. We can do that. We can do that in the wait a minute. Let me find the code. Yeah. We can do that in the PVC action for the PVC action during the backup. Like this, we have removed the data source reference and data source configured in the PVC, and also data source reference in the PVC. And also we have done the same thing, or we have done the same thing for the label selector added by Velero. That is for which the key is prefixing with velero.io. And yeah, because Velero state mover is using the label selector. So so now we have a proposal that we want to do this for all the label selectors. That is, we will not check the prefixing of Velero. That is the proposal. So yes, that is. I think that is all for this topic, and we can continue the discussion offline, and during the next meeting discussion. Yes, that's for this topic. And anything else from anyone else? If not, I think we can finish off here. And thanks for joining. And see you next meeting. Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye bye.